Hey guys, what's up? Today's actually another video, kind of how to sell something online. We're gonna actually use the Craigslist app that we have on the iPhone, and here's what it looks like when you first get to it. You can come up here and hit the search icon, um, type in whatever you're looking for, and or whatever, see if you're gonna sell anything, see what kind of competitions out there, see what you might be able to actually charge for the item you're selling. But you can actually see what we got here. So when you do get going, you actually hit the top right hand corner, the little square with the pencil on it. You go ahead and hit that, and that'll be your new listing creation, and how you actually people would communicate your handle to you, usually an email. It'll use your location and stuff like that, so you can actually go ahead and we'll hit that one, and I'll blend another video, and I'll do that right after this. That way you guys don't have to deal and see with my personal information when I hit that. But we'll go ahead and eliminate that step, and you'll see in the next the blended video that I'll end up merging to this one will actually be a continuation right after I hit that, and use my sign in and go ahead and log into my Craigslist. But if not, just set up a quick email, and that way you can still have some communication with the base, and then of course log in, have it ready to rock and roll, and you'll be good to go. But we'll go ahead and hit the top left. You can see obviously hitting three little arrows on the left, you can navigate the app that way and see your posts, see what you favorited, and of course, but anyway, we'll go ahead and just hit home, go ahead and kill that, and I'll show you guys in the next one. All right, guys, what's up? We're back. All right, so I just hit that little the little square up there with the pencil icon. I went ahead and, like I said, just jump past the personal info so you guys wouldn't have to see that. But we'll go ahead and this is directly right after that. So we'll go ahead and you can either take a photo just like the other apps, or you can go ahead and just hit select photo. I've already got one out. I'll go ahead and give it access ability to my photos, and we'll go ahead and come up here to the camera roll. Obviously, change that to sell. I've already got a cell subfolder created, so just like the one that I created earlier on OfferUp, I'll go ahead and act like we're going to sell the same thing. And of course, you can put this on multiple platforms to help it sell, get a little bit more eyes out there. I imagine that people that use OfferUp also use LetGo and or Craigslist, so I'm not sure how helpful it is, but I imagine there are some people that only use one versus the other. Sometimes it's I hate having to check all three sometimes, but nonetheless, the fact that we have that, the ability is great. So anyway, we'll go ahead and select that. You can see just like that, we've already got the photo up there. We'll go ahead and hit next. You got posting title. We'll go ahead and hit down here and put a tile mate. And I like to put a location finder just so people know what it is. Sometimes people don't know what it is. Go ahead and hit next. Category, we'll go ahead and throw it in for sale by owner. We'll go in and just put, see if they got electronics. Yeah, we'll go and hit electronics. We'll put on there $15. English speaking, a minimum number of options. All right, looks good enough there. You can go to posting body. Sometimes I'll just put brand new. That's all. If you want to put anything else in there, if you're selling a computer or a car and you want some details in there, by all means do all that in there. And you can actually tell you want no replies to this email, or you want a Craigslist mail reply recommend. Of course, you can do phone or text. I usually actually just prefer email, but sometimes the texts are nice too, so we can go ahead and hit text or phone, whichever one you want. All right, hey guys, we're back here after a quick splice. The reason why I do that is just so that I could actually cut out 2 steps. I did that just because it had some of my personal information on there. So, but I'll walk you through it. So right after you get into that spot where we were going to, confirm our listing, we put our contact in there, whether you want to be contacted email or text. Sometimes, it just depends on what I'm trying to sell. I usually don't put my phone number up there. I just usually try to get contacted through email, and I'll reply that way. So right after you do that, of course, if you do set up email, it might even work with this on the text, that you're going to have to go in there and go to the email that you selected, and you're going to have to click in there to actually accept the terms, obviously prove that that's the valid email address that you want. It might need to do that for the phone number as well, just to like I said, just a confirmation that you have access to that email. So after you do hit the contact information, click the next, and then you're going to give your location. This is the step the second step that I cut out. It'll give a little we'll call it a virtual fence around, a map. It'll kind of show you, within a mile radius of where you're at. You kind of put your zip code, your address, wherever you want, obviously not your home address, but, just kind of make a nice localized spot so at least people can kind of tell somewhat where it's located. And then you guys can obviously find a nice public place to meet up and make an exchange. But after you give that location, click next. Go ahead and it'll give you the final preview post, and you're going to actually preview it. Click submit. As soon as that's done, it completes, and it actually generates this right here. So obviously you can see I've got my title in there, the cost. I can come in here and hit the edit or the delete button. Obviously you want to delete it after it's sold, so you're not constantly getting contacted on it. Obviously you'd be able to scroll up and top it if you had multiple pictures. You could come click edit if you really wanted to. You'd be able to go in there and actually make a quick edit to it if you wanted, and then of course that'd be as simple as it really is. And like I said, the one thing you will have to do, another step that kind of is not shown on here, is that since I do get contacted through the email, then it says go check your listing, go check your email so that you can actually verify that link. And as soon as you click that and hit the accept terms, it made that link actually, it actually put it right up there, right then and there. So I was able to go back here and actually that this is under my postings, and you see that it is active and when I posted it. And of course you could have a lot of postings if you wanted, and that's through the accounts on the left side of the app. So as always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Hopefully this works for you guys as well, and it worked well. So I hope you guys like it. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us. I pump a video a day out there, so hope you guys like it, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.